Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today another episode of Marvy's Diecast. So today we're gonna unbox these and we're gonna assemble these one. This is Maisto design 1971 Datsun 510. I'm being fond of Datsun now. I have quite a few. I got this from a Canadian Tire for $25 plus tax, and I didn't know they have these. Actually, when I see it, I just grab it and take it home. I paid for it. But yeah, it says here skill number 2, so it's easy to assemble, no need to glue anything, just snap, screw, and that's it. So it's pretty much easy because they made this assembly line easy to make, easy to build, and Maisto detail wise is getting better and better now. I don't know what is happening there, but they're making pretty good casting now, unlike before. So let's open it. So what's inside is the body. There's actually a screwdriver there that is included, but I'm not using it because I have my own. And let's put this aside. This is the manual, but if you're familiar enough to assemble these kind of stuff, you actually don't need it because it's so easy. Yeah. The tires. This is the chassis and the interior. It's a bumper. Seats. So you have actually two sets of wheels to choose from. You have a silver one and a black one. On this particular one, we're gonna use the black one. This is the dashboard. The front bumper, like I don't know, maybe lip or something, and the back rear end, headlight and front grille, side panels of the doors, and let's open this one. Front. Oh, this is actually the rear bumper, front bumper, some tail lights, some license plate. It says Tokyo MD. Nice speedometer, and I don't know what that one, and Maisto license plate. There's two screws there, rear view mirror, and these are the tires. Actually, I'm surprised they make it so nice. It's like detailed nice. It has a Toyo tires label on it, so nice. So that's it. Let's proceed to the assembly. So that's it, guys. It's done. I'm surprised about the outcome of the model. It's like a little bit too low, and for sure it's a custom Datsun 510 because of the height of the wheels. because when it's low, it's so nice. There's also like a decal there saying Maisto design, and on the front lip it says Datsun, and a Datsun logo there. The interior is just plain black, but the casting itself, it's so nice. Let's compare it to the M2 Datsun, if same size. Yeah, they got it right. So this is from M2. I'm gonna make a unboxing video of these soon. And I'm not sure which license plate I'm gonna put. Maybe Tokyo MD, or the small one, or the Maisto, but maybe I'll put this one, but not now. For now, I'm gonna show you guys the model. Yeah, it's opening doors, and also the hood is opening. Yeah, so that's it. I'm happy with this one. It's a nice casting by Maisto. So that's it, guys. It's easy to assemble, no need for glue or anything. Just put it together, and 2 screws to hold the body and the chassis. It's fun to assemble these kind of diecast, you know. You enjoy assembling it, and after you finish it, you appreciate how nice it is. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're subscribed already, thank you so much. Keep watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any question, feel free to comment. If I can answer it, I will answer it. And see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.